Your Toshiba TV isn't turning on. No lights, no picture, just nothing. Before you assume it's completely broken, there are several proven steps you can take that fix this exact issue for many users. In this video, I will show you exactly what to do to troubleshoot and get your TV working again. The first thing you should try is a power cycle. Start by unplugging your Toshiba TV from the wall. Then, find the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, and press it down. Hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds. This helps clear out any leftover power in the system. After that, wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes before plugging the TV back into the wall. Once you've done that, try turning it on and see if the screen comes back to life. Take the batteries out of your remote and set them aside. Now, press and hold the power button on the remote for about 30 seconds. This helps to clear out any stuck signals or leftover power inside the remote. Once that's done, put in a fresh set of batteries to be sure low power isn't the issue. If you still don't see anything happening, try turning the TV on using the physical power button on the TV itself. That will help you figure out if the remote is the problem. Now check the power source. Make sure the outlet you're using is working by plugging in something else, like a lamp or phone charger. If it doesn't turn on, the outlet might be the problem. Also, don't use any surge protectors or smart plugs right now. Plug the TV straight into the wall socket. Then take a look at the power cord connected to your TV. Make sure it's not damaged, twisted, or loose. Push it in firmly to make sure it's fully connected. Next, remove all HDMI cables and other external devices from the TV. Sometimes a bad connection can stop the TV from turning on properly. Once everything is unplugged, try turning on the TV again. If it works now, you know one of the devices was causing the issue. You can plug them back in one at a time to see which one is the problem. If the screen stays black, but you hear sound or see a small light on the TV, there might be a backlight issue. Turn on the TV, then take a flashlight and shine it close to the screen. Look closely to see if there are any faint images or movement. If you can see something, even just a little, it likely means the backlight isn't working and the screen just isn't lighting up. This would need a repair from a professional. If you don't see anything on the screen at all, you can try a hard reset. Unplug the TV from the wall, then press and hold the power button on the TV. While still holding the button, plug the TV back in and keep holding it until you see the Toshiba logo appear. This might take a few seconds. For Toshiba Fire TV models, pay attention to any blinking red lights. That could mean a backlight problem. If you can hear sound but the screen is completely black, there's a good chance the backlight has failed. In that case, you'll need help from a repair technician. That's it for this video on how to fix a Toshiba TV that won't turn on. I hope these step-by-step solutions help you get your TV back up and running. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and clear tech tips. Have any questions or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what worked in your case. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.